Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chichi and this is Woman of Value, where we help and encourage women globally to become valuable and impactful. On today's video, I will be talking about you as a woman pushing out that baby. So, push out the baby. What are you pregnant with? That particular baby you're pregnant with, it's time to push the baby out. You can't say, I don't want to push out. I don't have the strength. I mean, when women are pregnant and they go to the labor room, you don't find a woman saying, oh, I don't think I can do this. And I am tired. I am very weak. I don't think, because what they actually want, the most of what they want at that particular time is to get the baby out. So today, I'm encouraging you as a woman to push out the baby in you. So the baby in you can become that business that you have in mind to start. It can be that course that you want to go and do. It can be the skill that you want to gain. It can be that ministry that you want to start. It can be the charity that you want to start. It can be that donation that you want to make to help someone. It can be a visit that you have been keeping on hold for a very long time. It can be just anything. Whatever you know that is going to impact the life of someone out there, it's time to get it done. That's the message I bring today. So, and the reason is because that child that is inside of you, that business, that ministry, that skill that you are about to gain, that purpose that God has given to you, that gift that God has given to you, someone's destiny, someone's life is depending on it. Some people are waiting for you to get it out, to push that baby out. Their total life and destiny depends on it. So if you keep keeping the baby inside, you are not doing humanity any good. And you are denying a lot of people that are killed the opportunity to reach their potentials and to reach their destinies. So just get up today. Tell yourself, I'm going to start that business. I'm going to do that YouTube video. I'm going to get this skill. I'm applying for this course to get admitted, to study it and graduate. I'm going to give it all it takes. I'll give it my best and I'm going to become that so that I can help other people. The generations coming are waiting earnestly for you to get that baby out. Just get the baby out. You can't, if you sit too long, the baby might die. Remember that once it is time to push out, the baby is at risk. The earlier the baby is out, the better for the mother and the baby. Don't sit on it. Don't wait till the next year. Don't wait till next month. I'm encouraging you now that now is the best time to push out the baby. Start it today. Some people are waiting for it. Your generations unborn are waiting for it. That business that it has been on your mind to start for a very long time, the generations after you who are going to benefit from it are waiting. You can't keep the baby inside. You need to get the baby out. And there are a lot of things that you can begin to do to help you to be able to get the baby out. If you keep thinking, I can't do it, I'm too tired, I don't have this, I don't have the fun, I don't have this, then you know that it's just entering into procrastination and it's not a good place to be. You can sit down and get some help if you really want to get this baby out. One of the things you can do, and it's not the only thing, but it's one of the things you can do, and I'm talking from experience. It's one of the things that I did that is one of the best decisions I've made, is to get myself a mentor and to get myself a coach, because these people are going to help you even discover the things inside of you that you don't know about, and they will help you to shift your mindset, because a lot of it is about the way that you think. You keep thinking that it's not possible. Oh, I've tried before, it didn't work. What makes you think it's going to work again? Yes, something will make it work again. You can try and try and try again and again, because remember, some people's destinies are depending on that particular baby inside of you. I need you to sit back, think, and push the baby out. Get it started today. If you encounter challenges, get yourself a coach. Get mentored by those that have already achieved that same result you're looking for. Anyone in that line, they can mentor you. They can coach you. You can get yourself a coach and let them get you accountable, because sometimes you start and maybe you do one or two and you get discouraged, you get tired, you are not motivated. Just get a coach, or get anyone that you know can have a commitment to put a check on you, to get you accountable, so that you will do what you have put down that you will do. So there are other ways that can help you to push the baby out, and I'll be talking about them in the coming videos, because I don't want the video to get long. So I will continue to talk about those things one by one until we cover most of them or all of them in the coming videos. Well, this is where I'm going to draw the curtain today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do please subscribe and click the notification bell, so that when we upload new videos, you will be the first to know. And just click the like button, and remember to put your comments down at the comment section. Really important for me, because it will help me to know your thoughts and the things you would like us to talk further on this channel. And I will also like to know what you think about pushing your baby out. Are there challenges you encounter? Are there things that have stopped you over the years from getting that business out, getting that skill, getting that education, getting that ministry started? Let's hear that at the comment section, and we can help ourselves as we go on the journey of becoming valuable and impactful women. And with that, I'm going to say a very big thank you for watching, and bye-bye.